Welcome to Harisystems. Today you know what is Jenkins, where it is used, how it is useful for a software organization, and many more about the Jenkins. Then Jenkins is a powerful application that allows continuous integration and continuous delivery of projects regardless of the platform you are working on. It's a free source that can handle any kind of build or continuous integration. You can integrate Jenkins with a number of testing and deployment technologies. Here mainly the CI/CD process is based on the fundamental flow of building the application. Here the testing it, deliver it, where typically building part involves compiling the application, ensuring all necessary libraries and dependencies in the place to run the application, where the testing phase part involves the testing with the automated tools to ensure there is a plugins are there, the functions which is involved. The delivering part involves the packaging or presenting the application in the way that can be delivered to the customers or other users for any kind of purpose. Build great things at any scale. The leading open source automation server, Jenkins provides hundreds of plugins to support building, deploying, and automating any project. Mainly, what is Jenkins? Jenkins is self-contained open source automation server which can be used to automate all sorts of tasks related to building, testing and delivering and deploying the software. It can be installed native system, packages, Docker, even run standalone by any machine with the Java Runtime Environment. The features and presentations are continuous integration and continuous delivery, extensible automation server. It can be used as a simple CI server or turned into the continuous delivery hub for any project. The continuous integration, the developers continuously integrate the source code to the source control server, the repository. The Jenkins configured from the repository and it will fetch the code and build it and test it. If any success or failures, it will be redistribute continuously to the manager and developers continuously. The continuous delivery, once the repository source is committed by the developers, it will regular intervals checks that, build it, the package will be deployment, simultaneously the test reports would be provided. It's very easy to installation. Self-contained Java based program ready to run out of the box. The packages for Windows, Mac OS X and other Unix like operating systems are available. The project produces 2 releases, LTS and weekly. Depending on your organization needs, one may be preferred over the other. There is an Arch Linux are there, Docker, FreeBSD and OpenSUSE, Red Hat, Ubuntu, Windows, generic Java package that is .var file is also available to download and install. Easy to configure. Jenkins can be easily set up and configure via its web interface, which is includes on the fly error checks and built-in help. Prerequisites to install and configure this: the minimum requirements are 256 MB of RAM, 1 GB of hard drive space, although 10 GB is recommended for minimum if running Jenkins as in a Docker container. If it is a small team, the requirements of 1 GB plus of RAM, 50 GB drive space is sufficient to run the Jenkins. The requirements of the software: Java 8 is only the supported runtime environment. Both in 32-bit as well as 64-bit versions are supported. Meanwhile, the version 9 upcoming versions are working on it. Web browser: the latest Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer version 11 and Apple Safari. The plugins: with hundreds of plugins in the update center, Jenkins integrates with the practically every tool in the continuous integration and continuous delivery toolchain. Extensible: Jenkins can be extended via its plugin architecture, providing nearly infinity possibilities for what Jenkins can do. If any more add-ons you may require for upcoming technologies or upcoming tools, that maybe it's a very easily available, that plugin you integrate or you install or call it as add on the plugin and you simply avail of that tool and use it. Distributed: it's easily distributed work across multiple machines, helping drive builds, tests and deployments across multiple platforms faster. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, please subscribe, like and comment. Visit us at harisystems.com. Thank you.